This is the life. This is the nicest day so far this year in Newfoundland. Anyways, I'm in Corner Brook at the same spot I was at a while back, and I'm gonna go into town and do some laundry and some chores, and I think we're gonna go and see some sights. I have about 10 days before I leave for the hike, so I need to do some preparation for sure. I need to make sure I have enough electrolytes. I'm going to use Flex Delivery. I'm going to do a little video on that. Flex Delivery for hikers is amazing because you can forward your mail anywhere you want. You can have your mail sent to you. You literally have any Canadian post office as your home address. You just hand them the address. So even if it's an Amazon order for hiking supplies, maybe shoes, you want shoes, and you're going to pick them up at a town ahead of you. Anyway, I'll go through the whole thing. That's a lot of lumber right there. I remember these engines when I was a kid. That was fun. That's supposed to be the man in the mountain, but I don't see his face anywhere. This is the town of Steady Brook, and we're gonna go look for Steady Brook Fall. And now we climb the mountain. Little accident here. Can you say blowdown? See, if it was at the end of the day and I was looking for a camp spot, this would be it right there. This lichen, moose love this stuff. I bet you there's a lot of moose around here. Alright, let's get out of Dodge. Let's find ourselves a home for the night. But I want to head up north. It'll have to be along the way because my goal is Gross Morn and then ultimately Bird Cove. There's zip lines everywhere here. That's the third one. Okay, let's go find a place to live for the night. Just another day. Just another day. But this day is exceptional. It's up to 23 now. Now that's what I call summer weather. And I got bites on me. Whew, I was wrong. I think I need to get some definitely some permethrin, but for my pack and whatnot, I already ordered it. I'm gonna spray the pack down. Don't put it on tent. Don't put it on Dyneema. It'll destroy the Dyneema, even if your backpack has Dyneema. But if it's like mine, where it's EPL or EPX 200, it's fine. It's fine. Anyway, we're heading towards Deer Lake. I don't know if we're going to get there, but that's the general direction because I want to go to Grossmorn. Okay, we're off. Okay, I found a little spot. It's up past Deer Lake, just outside of Grossmorn. Looks like we got company.
Go. See you?
It's great to have a fire pit, but it'd be even better if we had some wood. Ooh, look at how close I came. Jeez. Right to the ditch. Groceries, come on. So that's what I do in a day. This is a typical day for me. I drive around, I try to see if I can find spots to look at, and I try to find nice spots to go to. I'd say this is pretty nice, but you know, there's no water. Just saying. All right, let's get set up. Let's some nice fresh laundry. Love it. Love it. Check this out, guys. This is the beginning of a van build.
Exactly, yeah.
Gotta have heat first. And Xavier here, I just met him.
Hello.
Really nice fella. Already had a van build once. Anyways, he's here tonight with me. And like I said, we are in the park, right? Officially?
No.
No, we're not in the park.
No.
Oh, okay, we're on the edge of it. Gross morn. Oh, look, there's a fire pit down there too. That looks like a good spot too. I like this better though. My back door. Oh, we gotta I'm getting antsy here. It's two days of storms. I may as well get up north of Gross Morn, where there are far more amenities. There's propane, there's gas, there's groceries, there's everything. Being just hunkering down here, and I don't want to run the generator either. Hold me, I'm scared. Put the granny step away too. Shoot. Okay, all right. Oh yeah, oh, this is brutal. All right, let's get the granny step in real quick. It's just miserable. Miserable weather. I downloaded my maps because I'm noticing I'm not getting any coverage up here at all. So, and I need to have these maps on my phone for the hike too, because I come off trail, I need to get into a town, and I'm not going to have Wi-Fi, or sorry, cell coverage. So I mean, I got to make sure that I'm covered. All right. Well, I've got breadcrumbs on the map there. At least it can get me back to the main highway. It's an adventure. Look, water. It sure is pretty though. See, this here is what I'm getting told about a lot. To expect a lot of rain. You know, it comes and goes just like anywhere else, but when you get it, like today, it's supposed to be 30 millimeters. So what's that? Like 2 centimeters, almost an inch of rain in one day. That's a lot. I mean, that's going to be constant, you know. And I think what I'm going to do on trail when this happens is really push hard to get through it, you know. Climbing that mountain there. It's all part of the trail. We're basically following the trail, going north. And the view of the ocean though from up there, oh my God, that's gonna be epic. It's epic here, down at sea level. Try going up 3,000 feet. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at that big rock. Dump site here. I might want to take advantage of that. And there it is. There's the town. City Hall. City Hall's a house. A 2-bedroom house. That's awesome. It really is a cute town. It's really got that maritime feel to it, you know? Damn, I wish I had the good camera. All kinds of RVers staying there. Oh, that's that house. Okay, yeah, I saw that. I saw that on the thing. This is awesome. Awesome. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. All right, let's see if we can park somewhere and we'll take a walk. Okay, well, we're not staying here, but I'd like to see it for sure. So let's do that. Isn't this awesome? I'm getting soaked, but I'm loving it. Ooh, that's windy. Oh, she's getting washed, that's for sure. All right, well, I'm gonna go and find propane first, no matter what. All right, I found some propane. It's about 8 clicks away from Rocky Harbor. $38 to fill the tank. Jesus. I just went from $19 to 38. What the hell's going on here? As soon as I got out of Corner Brook, everything's gone to hell. He did say I could camp here though. I don't mind that, but I'd have to go by the shed. Yeah, I just called Port au Choix to check a place there for propane. $54. I know, almost $2.50 for a liter, or sorry, a pound. It goes by pounds. Yeah, this is insane. I gotta stay down south. Just come up here for, obviously, the hike. The hike won't be bad, but, you know, as far as tourist stuff, just come up here, see the views, and go back down. That kind of thing, you know. Or just go down along the Trans-Canada and then just shoot off there, head north into the different spots as I make my way. And this will be after the hike, of course, but make my way over to the east side. I want to go hike the east, what's called the East Trail. It's just north of St. John's, out on the peninsula. So I'm just waiting here. He said a few minutes a guy will come. I'm not going to get out and get soaked. Same with the tank. I'm not going to get soaked until I have to. It's funny, the diesel gas is the cheapest I've seen it in 6 months. Not for propane. Propane's a whole other story. You know, if I did stay here, this would be my front yard. So all of this is part of Grouse Mourne. And we're not going to find anything here. Okay, we're coming into Sally's Cove, Newfoundland. I don't know if there's a spot to turn around there, but this could be a spot. Let's go have a look at it. See what we got. It's just, there's no spot at the side. Like if you park right on the road here, you might be blocking people out. Isn't this pretty? Oh man, this is the bomb. He's kind of squatting a little bit on the back end. Wow. We're on an uphill, that's why. Let's see if we can turn around now. Rather have a view of the ocean. You know what I mean? Ooh, the furnace didn't come back on. We need some heat in here. Yeah, okay. Okay, this guy's telling me I should come down the road more. Okay, well, I took his advice and came down here, so see how this works out, I guess. Well, I'm going to need to set everything up, though. Jenny, the whole works, so I may as well just stay here for a day or two. My front door, very windy here, but very beautiful. Life is perfect. I am so grateful.